Now, here we are at the entrance of the famous Seoul Sky Garden. It's built on that old elevated highway.
Now, look at that first section. They have a lovely little area with a colorful piano. Our boys Kishore and Umesh have already jumped on it and are filling the garden with music. It is a beautiful, welcoming sound.
The garden itself is stunning. Look at these massive, attractive cylindrical cement pots. The entire kilometer-long walkway is lined with them, packed with beautiful greenery.
It is fascinating. This is not just a park, it is an actual plant library. I read they have about 24,000 plants here, representing 228 species of trees, shrubs, and flowers, all native Korean species.
It's a former highway built in 1970, now reborn in 2017. That's where the original name Seoullo 7017 comes from. That's the amazing part.
We get to enjoy a walk of over 980 meters with beautiful city views, all while surrounded by these amazing flowers. It is a peaceful green escape before we reach Seoul Station.